Today I'm going to share JustInMind, a prototyping tool which can be used to prototype mobile applications, web applications, and also different types of mobile devices can be selected. For example, iOS or maybe Android phones, and different types of screen sizes can also be selected from this prototyper, which is quite useful for students or professionals who would like to first create a prototype before actually writing or developing the application itself. So after you launch the JustInMind, you have to create a new project, and then you can select the device. In my case, I'm going to choose iPhone 5. Click next. There are a few sample typings are given here. So let me choose the examples. So when you choose examples, you can find that there's a predefined screens given here. So I'm going to choose the sign in and click on finish. Once you click on finish, as you can see here, it comes out with the widgets. It's called iPhone 5 dimensions, and here you can find the screens. So this is the loading screen, this is the login screen, and this is the home screen. Okay, for the loading screen, I can change the image. For example, right click, choose the image that I want to put instead of this one. So I'm going to select this image. Right after this, I can also put a label. Example, I can drag and drop a label from the menu, and I can use the label here. So I'm going to retype it to, for example, mobile application. Right, so here is cannot see, so I'm going to change the font size. Okay, let me put it as 18, and also I'm going to change the whatever properties that you would like to set for the font. You can do it here. So background, position, size, and of course you can choose the color as well. So let me choose the color for this. So let's change the font, something like that. Maybe here. Extra bold. Okay. Then I'm able to choose whatever types that you would like to put there. You can choose, and you can also select other things as well. For example, here the background color, right? And of course you can choose others as well. All right. So let me center this. Right. That's what you can do, right? You can change whatever that you feel like, to put it as a login screen. After this, let's move on to the next one. Is a predefined one, as you can see here. All right, you have an email, you have a password, you have a login button, all created by itself. Then you have a home. Right, the home is something like this. You can also rearrange the screens. Right, so I'm going to put the home button before the login. So in this case, I'm going to move it up. Right, so the home button, I can choose different types of images that are available in the widgets here. Right, so I'm just choosing this one for the home button. Right, so that will be here. So realign it. So in case if I need to add more screens, I can click on this. For example, I'm going to go, okay, camera. Right, so for the camera, I can choose here, and I'm going to put the camera here. Okay, and of course, if like if you want to show a passcode for your application, so I'm going to create a new screen. I'm going to put a passcode, so I can choose a passcode screen here. Right, so you can see it's quite simple and quite straightforward. And once you have completed this, the whole prototyping of your mobile application, you are able to save it, and you can also share this on the web so that your group members can also add collaboratively work together to complete the prototype. In case if there's a group where each group member have to do a certain part of the application, they can also contribute to the prototype. So this is a very good tool which is widely used and is quite user friendly, as you can see. So the PST part of it is the pedagogy. Of course, there's a lot of learning involved where the students are able to first think through what is the application that they would like to create, what are the different screens that they would like to put in based on the application requirements. So that's the pedagogy aspect. Then the social aspect is many students can collaborate, right? It's able to leverage on the web 2.0, and it's on the internet, so they can share and they should be able to contribute their own ideas in terms of how to design or how to add more features to the mobile application. The next one is the affordance. As you can see here, right, this prototyping tool is available online. It can also can be used on a mobile phone. So this is a very good tool where you are able to open the same prototype that you have done for a mobile application, which can be uploaded to the cloud, and users can download using their laptop or mobile application or mobile phones. So the affordance part is also very strong in this JustInMind prototyper. So this is my research which I've done a bit on JustInMind, and this is used for teaching, and currently I'm also using this tool in order to think how it works. So once you have completed this, you are able to do a simple simulation, right? Of course, very simple application, so you are able to do a simple simulation. So when you do this, you can find it opens, right? It opens on a browser type of a thing where you can also change the gesture, right? For example, like this, right? You can change the single, you can make it work, right? So actually you can also write a bit of coding to make this mobile application or mobile prototyper to work as if that you can find in a normal application, right? So this is how it looks like. It's a loading screen. This is the home, login, camera, passcode, right? So all these you're able to view, and for example, if you're going to do it for your client, you can do this prototyping, and then you can bring it to the client and show it, right? It is on the cloud, so you should available 24/7, right? You can use this JustInMind prototyper. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.